Let us understand what happens when chlorine is treated with ammonia. Here we need to be careful because chlorine will react with ammonia in two different ways. Chlorine will react with excess of ammonia, forming nitrogen and ammonium chloride. But when excess of chlorine is treated with ammonia, it forms nitrogen trichloride. In fact, nitrogen trichloride is a very powerful explosive. Let me write the reaction for both the cases and explain to you how the products are obtained. In the first case, where chlorine is treated with excess of ammonia. So 8NH3 indicates that chlorine is treated with excess of ammonia. So ammonia is treated with chlorine. It forms 6 molecules of ammonium chloride. NH4Cl is a formula of ammonium chloride along with the liberation of nitrogen. And in the second case, excess of chlorine is treated with ammonia. Here we have taken more of chlorine. What's the product we are going to land up in? Nitrogen trichloride, formula being NCl3 along with formation of 3 molecules of HCl. Here the point to be remembered is NCl3 is a very powerful explosive. So I repeat the name of NCl3, that is nitrogen trichloride. It's a very powerful explosive. This is obtained when excess of chlorine is treated with ammonia. And what happens when excess of ammonia is treated with chlorine? Excess of ammonia is treated with chlorine. It forms ammonium chloride along with liberation of nitrogen. So the same compound ammonia reacts with chlorine in two different ways as explained here.